In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an AI-generated app in Lovable. Whether you're working on refining a personal project or developing something for a larger audience, fine-tuning an app can make all the difference in usability and design. With Lovable, this process is made simpler, yet it still requires a bit of know-how. So let's dive in and explore this step-by-step together. First, you'll want to open the project that contains your AI-generated app. This is where the magic begins. Make sure the project is correctly loaded within the Lovable platform, so everything is set up for the editing process. Once inside your project, take some time to review the generated pages and components. This step is crucial because understanding what has been created for you by the AI helps in deciding what changes you may wish to implement. Carefully look through each component. Observe how they interact and consider whether they meet your original vision. It's all about ensuring that every button, every drop-down, and every page not only functions properly, but also aligns with your intended user experience. Once you have a clear idea of what needs tweaking, head over to the AI prompt box. This feature is where you'll describe the changes you want to make to your app. Think of it as communicating directly with the AI, conveying your design goals clearly and concisely. You might want to adjust the layout, alter some color schemes, or modify functionalities. Whatever it is, ensure your descriptions are as specific as possible. The clarity of your input here will directly impact the effectiveness of the changes made by Lovable. After you've formulated your instructions, the next step is to submit the prompt. This is an exciting moment as this initiates Lovable's process of updating your app with the new modifications you've requested. You'll need to be a little patient at this stage. Wait for Lovable to process the input, and while it may take a moment, rest assured that the AI is working diligently to implement your changes. Remember, the precision in your initial description will help minimize back and forth corrections later on, so precise input is key. Once Lovable has completed the updates, review them carefully. Check to see if the changes have been applied as you intended. It may be necessary to go back to the AI prompt box a few times to refine your instructions until everything looks just right. This iterative process is all part of crafting a polished, user-friendly app. And there you have it. With a little patience and attention to detail, you can transform an AI-generated base into a final product that truly meets your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel more confident in editing your AI-generated app in Lovable. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your app development journey.